Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own pre-workout. Crafting your own pre-workout blend offers fantastic benefits, primarily giving you complete control over the ingredients and their amounts. This personalization ensures your mix perfectly aligns with your fitness goals and body's needs. Plus, it can be significantly more cost-effective than continuously buying commercial products, saving you money in the long run. You'll know exactly what you're consuming, avoiding unnecessary fillers or artificial additives. Let's dive into the essential ingredients for an effective pre-workout. Caffeine is a cornerstone, offering a boost in energy and mental focus. A common dose is between 100 and 200 milligrams. For strength and power, creatine monohydrate is crucial, with a recommended daily intake of 3 to 5 grams. Beta-alanine helps buffer lactic acid, improving muscular endurance and reducing fatigue, typically taken in amounts of 2 to 5 grams. To further optimize your pre-workout, consider adding these beneficial ingredients. L-citrulline is excellent for promoting nitric oxide production, leading to enhanced blood flow and impressive muscle pumps. Aim for 6 to 8 grams. Branched-chain amino acids, or BCAA, can support muscle recovery and help reduce post-workout soreness, with a typical dose of 5 to 10 grams. Don't forget electrolytes for optimal hydration, particularly during extended or intense training sessions. Finally, let's cover the practical aspects of mixing, safety, and storage. When preparing your blend, ensure all powdered ingredients are thoroughly mixed to guarantee an even distribution of each component. For safety, always begin with the lowest recommended doses of each ingredient to gauge your body's individual tolerance before gradually increasing. Store your finished pre-workout in an airtight container, away from moisture and direct sunlight, to maintain its potency and freshness for longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.